All right, guys, so we are here in Sylvan Lake on our way back to Edmonton to stop over for Ray's birthday. It's another one of my buddy Ray. And this is his house. The lake is right behind this house. Beautiful area. We already got the cake for him as well. Softest room.
How do I get into this room? He's like, just jump right by a snowbank. And I'm like, now how do I get into the truck? Go to the sheep bed.
The truck there, like it's big.
And this is Ray.
Hi, I'm Ray. Welcome.
And it's a birthday boy right here.
Hello.
And that's his cake.
Hi.
That's sweet.
All right, here.
What do we gotta do? Whoa. Yeah.
Well, how many do we need?
I don't know.
Just get a couple.
Ray, how old are you again?
I don't really remember.
How'd it go, Ray?
I think you guys are...
And my brother, yeah, 79, me and my brother 70.
If you're 79, you are not 43.
Oh,
I'm like, he's 78 and he's... Yeah.
The barbecue.
All sitting laid around the back.
Ooh, what's Christina? Play with the dog.
Yeah, there's a golf simulator in the back. I don't play golf. I'm not good at golf.
We were just talking about you.
I am better.
You've gotten better?
I've gotten a little better, yeah.
What about...
All right, we are going down to the basement.
Wait, he looked at me, he's like, want to see my face? I was like, who is this man and why is he offering me to see his face?
Wow.
Awesome.
Oh wow, this is a game. Oh man, this is crazy. This is like a lounge here right now.
A whole other house over there. Oh yeah, where?
Abby.
You got a bar. This is a lounge in itself.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool, eh?
Abby,
Yo.
look at the theater.
Wow.
Huh?
The whole theater room.
Yeah. Oh, this is theater room. They got pool table, and they got a theater room. That's crazy. Can you turn the lights on here? Where are the lights at? Ray, turn the lights on here.
We're in there?
Yeah. This is crazy. This is awesome.
It's a cool little place, eh?
Wow, it's a theater room.
Yeah, it is.
Oh wow, this is perfect.
That's a karaoke thing there, chief.
There's a karaoke, and you got two steps of like couches. It's like a movie theater,
This is,
and they got a whole bed here.
yeah, this ain't a movie.
Yo, what's the size of this TV, man?
I don't have a clue.
This got to be like 130 inch.
It's a projector.
Yeah, the projector screen.
But look how like
The clarity, though.
Yeah.
Like it.
And it probably has crazy sounds if you look
Oh, yeah,
at
it
the
does,
system
yeah.
that you put up there.
It's all built in.
Yeah,
This is awesome.
that's really nice.
Cool.
This
What
is
is that?
awesome, man.
That light thing.
I'm a baby face.
That light thing?
I used to play by number of times.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll go down to Hazard and check it out. We'll go play a game.
Nice bar.
Yeah, after
Yeah, let's go there.
it's not on Lakeshore or anything.
That's fine.
That's a
I've
wrap.
already started playing
We'll
pool.
go for a drive down
That's
Lakeshore to
nice.
show them they want to see.
Oh, this is where you watch your UFCs, eh?
Ray, I got a mom man here. You gonna like it?
That's sick. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ray. Happy birthday to you.
Wait, you guys have to keep singing until these.
He's like, not again. I don't want to hear this crap again, right?
Yeah, I'm 32 again.
He forgot how old he was. Wait, where's the lighter?
He has it.
Pocket.
Can I have it for a second?
Of course you can.
Birthday wish, birthday wish.
Birthday wish.
Okay, hang on a second.
$1 million.
All right, take the sponsors off first.
No, they're gonna be hot.
Ray, I've seen you remove the charcoals like with your bare fingers, okay? Don't even talk about having it hot.
You take the whole thing off, and I'm like,
With his fingers.
Ray, can you change the coal? He's like, yeah, no problem. I'm like, oh
All right.
my hand.
Very good.
What are you like butchering that?
Oh Yeah.
Yo, that was like,
Yeah.
They put a lot of weight into it. That thing's still frozen.
oh yeah.
Oh, it isn't. Yeah, it's
Okay,
nice and cake.
how big are pieces?
Just
are-
small.
Finish it up, Ray.
It's eight, including you. It's 8. No, we don't have to eat the whole thing, Ray. You know that,
Just
right?
small pieces, yeah.
Yeah,
Like this here?
Yeah.
we're not eating the whole thing. You can save it for your buddy there as well.
Oh, I didn't love that. Yeah,
Just make sure you put it in the freezer
Ray,
and,
do you remember when
and
Abby
not in the kitchen.
Do you remember when Abby melted your birthday cake?
Oh, of course.
And just
I
spice
did.
it into
Yo, Ray, how was the cake? That was a good
It
cake
turned out
though.
like a dome cake.
It was a dome cake.
It was very nice.
It was a thought that counted, right?
Look at that.
Ray, those are big pieces, man.
I know.
Okay, somebody start feeding Ray, man.
Somebody start figuring
He looked at the knife. He's like, he looked at the knife and he's like, nope, pass.
I don't think so.
All right, so yeah, right after this, we're gonna head over to the beach.
Pass spoons.
Oh, it's still at Ray's house, the Ray's driveway, and look at this car. This is a 3-wheeler. That's nice, man.
That's neat, eh?
That's freaking sick.
The other one's silver at the top. That looks nice too.
You wanna drive it?
Look at that exhaust on the side, eh?
That's really cool.
That's actually so cool, man.
Oh, and the roof comes up?
Wow. Oh yeah, the roof comes out too.
Be like,
That is-
my new car. I bought a new car.
Beautiful. Look
That's
at that.
pretty nice.
Frick. 3-wheeler.
That is pretty dope.
Can Ray even get
And look at the size of the tires.
Right in the middle.
Christine,
He like,
look at
he
the
sits
exhaust.
on one
Look
side
at the
and legs on
exhaust
the other.
on the side. Look at the size of these tires.
That's crazy.
That's sick.
That is pretty
That is
Now you don't see this very often,
No.
or never at all.
That's really nice.
Yeah. All right, so we are here at Sylvan Lake. This is basically a middle point between Edmonton and Calgary. So Edmonton is about an hour and a half this way, and Calgary is an hour and a half that way. So usually, if you come on a good day when it's not supposed to rain at all, this place gets jam-packed. Like literally, there's people everywhere. You won't get any spots even. This is actually dead compared to what we are used to seeing. Girls are getting ready to go in for a swim. All right, the ladies are ready to go into the water.
What? Too big. Savage. Savage.
Go.
Savnak.
Savage.
Savnak. Savage is her new name.
Savage.
Savage.
Aw, Deepak and Simran, they've already started holding hands.
Get a room.
Get a room underneath the water.
Get a room.
Get a room. Just go under the lake. Go under the lake.
Thank you, man.
कितने जाना है वो? कितने जाना है? Huh?
What?
The fish is right there. Right there, right there. Look, 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 look.
What? Where's the? Oh.
Yeah, this is beautiful weather. I love this weather, man. But it's supposed to rain in the next couple hours, so we're just enjoying it while we can. It's like 5:30 p.m. right now, but the weather report says it's gonna rain at like 7 p.m. So we're just here, just dipping our feet in and just enjoying the weather while we can.
People, they would like get boats and they
Once we, after this, we're gonna head over for dinner, take Ray out to dinner for his birthday, and then after that, we're gonna head back to Edmonton. Yeah, I'm trying to take the fishes under the water. This is the only camera in the world that's waterproof. Yo.
Huh?
Why? No, that's not weird. Hey. Yeah, go ahead. That's me. I'm 12. Yeah, want to introduce? Yeah. What? Introduce what? Happy birthday, Ray. Yeah, well, thanks very much, Abby. Hey, you're Ray. I'm Ray. Okay. and sorry,
This is what you call the Gemini gang.
the Gemini gang. Yeah. And just like that, this awesome birthday road trip came to an end. We celebrated Christine and Ray's birthdays in Calgary and Sylvan Lake and had an amazing time. We hope you guys all enjoyed the videos and hope to see you soon again. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe and follow us for more adventures.
And we look forward to bringing you more content, so please share the love.
Thank you, Xplore with Maavi.